Today, I want to show you some quick keystroke tips for when you're using Google Drive. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to head over to our Google Drive. The first one I want to show you is really cool. If you don't want to open it all the way and you just want to see what it is real quick, some people like to be in this view so you can see it. Okay. But if you are in list view like I like to be, you can simply single click on it. Don't double click on it or it'll open, and you can press the letter P. When you do, it pulls up a quick little preview of it. And if that's not the one you want, you can just hit escape or this back arrow and go on to the next one. You can hit the letter P, same thing. So that is a pretty cool, quick, easy thing to do. The next thing you can do is press the letter N if you want to rename it. Again, you highlight it and press the letter N and the rename will come up ready to go. Another thing you can do is press the letter Z. Watch what happens when I press the letter Z. Now it's letting me move it to somewhere else if I want to. And one last thing I want to show you. I'm going to open a new doc, docs.new. Anything.new will open an app, just let you know. Docs.new, slides.new, forms.new, sheets.new, any of it. Anyhow, let's say that I want this thing here. I want to give them this link. Normally, we would go like this, and we'd say share and copy link, and then we'd come up here and it hit Command V. Well, it gives you that ugly link. If instead, all I do is click on it one time and hit Control C. That's it. See, it says item copied to clipboard. Watch what it does. Control V. It puts in, instead of the link, it puts in the name, but it links it automatically. It's ready to go.